everyone. Welcome to our official channel of WebOsmotic. I am Ketan Parmar with 7 years of experience in IT industry. I work as a senior UI UX designer at WebOsmotic. Today, I got some useful things to share with you. It will help you a lot in your daily work life. So, let's get started. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you some useful plugins for the designer. It will help you to boost your productivity in your daily life. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all we have a wireframe plugin. Okay, what it plugins do, it will gives you a basic wireframe for the product designing, like a website design. There are some multiples categories we have over here for the mobile application, website, mobile application. This is the blog design. If you don't want this, let me delete this. Okay, this is the landing page for the mobile application. Then we have team members. Okay, let's move to the second plugin, which is Unsplash. This is my personal favorite plugins just because they have lots of stock images ready. So let me show you. I have a one Figma design for the fashion studio. So let me search over here, shopping girl, and hit enter. See, they have lots of images, free stock images. You can add image whatever you want. Also they have multiple categories over here. So let me show you that category. See, here is a multiple categories. This is my second favorite plugins. Let me show you why. Okay, so you just have to do it only the things. Just go to the browser, type apple.com and hit enter. Okay, now you just have to copy this URL and paste over here and hit import. And yeah, boom, see, everything is here with the font, with the button, the image, everything. See, isn't it so cool? See, all the images, all the designs. Just make sure, let me show you the one thing. See, there is a button and the title and description. So this is, yeah. Okay, so let's do the next plugin, which is Blush. Blush plugin gives you free images. Okay, so they have collections of the images. They have multiple themes. So let me pick one, isometric stickers. Okay, let me just have to click over here and they gives you an image over here. See, there are lots of images, so let me pick one. Yeah, you can use for this your next project. It gives you an icon with the same height and same width. Let me show you. Let me pick one icon over here and the other icon over here. See, you can see the height and width. Also they have animated icon also. And the style, see, all the same height and width. Also they have different type of categories, rewards. With these plugins you guys can use SVG files for your projects. Let me show you how. So over here you just have to click over here. It will give you an image over here, SVG file. See, and then you guys can change the color according to your brand style guide, which is you have used in your project. See, let me show you another image. Okay, this one. Okay, also they have multiple authors over here, Amico, Bro, Pana. You guys can check it out them. See, you just need to change your color according to your brand style guide, and that's it. Iconscout gives you 9 million assets. Can you imagine 9 million? Let me show you. They have icons, illustration, 3Ds, animations. Let me show you icons first. You just have to click on the any icon, or you guys can just drag and drop over here, and you just have to change color according to your brand style guide. If you don't have, then create a brand style guide first. Then they have a multiple illustrations which you guys can use in your project. Okay, so they have 3Ds, animations. With the use of these plugins, you guys can change your normal design to 3D look. Okay, so let me show you how. Just clicking by here, and you guys can change the perspective also. See, and they have a 4 type of perspective, and also you guys can include images, vectors from the here. See, you can change the color also. Let me show you. See, colors, and the colors. See, with these plugins you guys can add your dummy tags in your project. Let me show you how. Just click over the paragraph once, then hit on auto generate. It will give you a Lorem Ipsum content like this. So this is a Lottie file user interface. Here let me write mark. Okay, let me pick this one. Insert GIF, select the size, insert GIF. Okay, and we have an image GIF over here. Let me check here. See, thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Looking forward to your feedback in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning. Bye bye.